Hey there, everybody.
Hi, guys.
We are going to be taking you for a ride on the Duquesne Incline Railway here in Pittsburgh. It is one of two railways, incline railways, funiculars, as you may also call them. There's two of them left from the late 1800s, 19th century. They were used to build to take people and cargo up the hillside before cars were popular. There used to be nearly 20 of them dotting the landscape behind us. There are two left. This one opened in 1877, and it closed, I believe, around 1960 for a couple of years. There was a preservation society created to restore and save it, and it still operates today. It offers some of the best views of the city of Pittsburgh at the top. It's a great way to see the city. In fact, it's on USA Today's list of the top 10 ways to see a city from up high, or a great way to view the city skyline. So we're going to take a ride on that and show you a little bit about this. Let's take a ride up top, and then we'll come back down. Part of the transportation system of Pittsburgh. Uses the same cash fare system as buses and trolleys. They do not accept credit cards or debit cards for fares.
You come back and make the same ticket back to me, go through this first door.
Into the car. There's where we're going. It's on. All right, we're heading up. The views you can see of Pittsburgh off in the distance. City. There's some beautiful views of the city out here. And we are arriving. These are the guide she
It says
used.
right on top. This
Hoisting
part about
machinery.
this. Okay, if you missed that one,
So
then
some
it'll
of
go
the-
back to the other one.
And then, so we just give the donation for these downstairs too?
No, don't worry.
These gears
Cash and we go down.
Can we
turn
do
in.
the donation downstairs though?
Yeah, but don't worry about it.
Okay.
Well, in a little bit.
There's some cable cars from all over the world. Cool, here's one funicular from Kiev, Russia. And there's one in Switzerland. There we go. Now we can watch the wheel turning and dropping the car back down to the station while the other car makes its way up. First trip 5:30 a.m. Last trip 12:45 a.m. So here's the incline railway we're taking, Duquesne, and the Monorail. The other surviving incline railway is right here. And you get a beautiful view of the city from up here. Handmade incline ornament. I think we might need that one. There's another one here. It's a 400 feet climb, or it's a 800-foot track, 400 feet up. So it's a 30-degree climb on the way up, fairly steep. But look at the views here of the city. Downtown area. And as we pan over, you can see the PNC ballpark, where the Pirates play, Steelers Stadium, Heinz Field, Carnegie Science Center. You can see the submarine down here. These beautiful views of the city. So lots of news articles covering the funicular. Here we go. Here's the USA Today's 10 great places to study skylines of the world. Duquesne Incline, Pittsburgh. Look, they painted the incline cars with defense. Representing the Steelers, of course. There's the timeline. Incline plane opens for business. Edison invents the incandescent light. So it closed, of course, in 1962. Fundraising began in 1963. It reopened. This timeline of things that have happened in the years that this incline has been open. So this is the upper station, the entrance to the upper station. We're going to walk down the road just a little bit here and take a look at another overlook from one of the parks. It's on the National Register of Historic Places. That's 2 National Register of Historic Places that we've visited in the last 2 days. This bronze statue depicts a meeting in October 1770 between George Washington and Seneca leader Gayasuda. Beautiful views up here. You can definitely see why they said it's a great place to get views of the city. Now it's time to head back down the railway, down to the river, and conclude this trip. It's been pretty fun. This coaster, not as big a fan. She doesn't like the heights, the steepness. I'm not sure. Time to hop on. I'll sit down here. Beautiful details of the car. Pulling away from the car station there. Heading back down. There. And here we are, arriving back in the station. All right, so that's a trip on the Duquesne Incline, a little bit of the history of the railway. What'd you think? She's not a fan. She does not enjoy something like this. So she's a trooper for hanging out. It was fun. Thanks for watching with us. Like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends. Have you ridden a funicular? If not this one, anyone? Let us know. But remember, most importantly, kids, have a good time all the time.